Manifestation can be an enjoyable process when you learn the art of it. Whether it's money, a relationship, or a job, everything you can imagine can be effortlessly manifested. When we say effortlessly, it means putting in no effort at all. That's why manifestation is amazing. You can attain anything you can imagine without any effort. So, how do you master the art of manifestation and manifest your desires effortlessly and immediately? Today, I'll share an incredibly powerful technique that allows you to manifest money overnight. Whether you want to manifest millions of dollars, this technique will help you manifest everything overnight. I got 100% results every time I use this technique. You may not notice it, but today, you'll either be healthier or less healthy than yesterday. Your financial situation might change too, making you either richer or poorer, and you won't be the same again. Keep watching this video because, as mentioned, this technique is a fun and enjoyable approach. It requires no effort, and you can manifest everything. But before we start the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to create more amazing videos. Now let's get started. We are part of an incredible universe with limitless potential. Being part of this universe grants you the ability to effortlessly attract whatever you desire. Money often captures people's interest because they believe it can improve various aspects of their lives. While I partially agree with this perspective, I won't oppose it. As a free individual, the universe has endowed you with desires and the capability to bring them into your reality. The challenge arises when you strongly desire something, like manifesting a significant amount of money, but instead of focusing on the feelings of having it, you fixate on its absence. For instance, if your goal is to manifest $3 million, many individuals immediately dwell on the lack of that sum. Joseph Murphy's teachings and the law of assumption revolve around embracing the feelings of what you want to manifest in your physical reality. Despite many people understanding this fundamental aspect of the law, they often choose to embody feelings of lack. It's not their fault. Years of conditioning have led them to perceive and evaluate everything from a standpoint of scarcity. This is why many claim to follow the law of assumption, but end up practicing their self-imposed limitations. Today, I'll share an engaging money game that can assist you in manifesting your desired amount almost instantly, possibly within 12 or 24 hours. Before I proceed, take a moment to ask yourself, am I truly adhering to Joseph Murphy's teachings? Am I staying faithful to my assumptions, or is my past conditioning interfering? Do I predominantly reside in the state of the wish fulfilled, or am I letting the 3D interpretation, the current reality, dominate my mindset? Reflecting on these questions can unveil insights into your flawed approach to manifesting. Yes, there's a possibility that you're approaching manifestation incorrectly. Regardless of whether you're a law of attraction enthusiast, or follow Neville Goddard's law of assumption, or Joseph Murphy's teachings, manifestation involves altering the energy you embody and emit. Both these laws of assumption and law of attraction share the same foundational principle, matching your thoughts, emotions, and feelings with the energy of what you desire. If you do a visualization session for 2 hours, and soon after the session, you start giving away your power to the 3D, then nothing is going to change for you. You are going to stay stuck in the same cycle of trying to manifest something and failing miserably at it. Alright? If you promise to take care of this mistake you are making with your manifestations, then I am ready to give you a technique to manifest money instantly. It's actually a game rather than a technique. I want you to have fun while practicing it, because if you will make something too serious, you will get overly attached to the outcome, and that will evoke emotions of fear and anxiety in you. So we want it to be simple, easy, and fun, so that you can enjoy yourself during the process without worrying about the outcome. Like everything else in this universe, money too is energy. Money comes to those who celebrate it but are not emotionally attached to it. Therefore, the very first step is to have a curious and carefree attitude towards money. Just know that the more fun you have in this process, the more easily will that money come to you. Then the second step is to choose an amount you want to manifest instantly. You can literally manifest millions of dollars with this, but here is the catch. Do you deep down in your heart believe that you can manifest $1 million or more within the next 12 hours? If you have such a powerful belief about your own worthiness, the sky is your limit. Go all in and manifest whatever amount you want. But speaking for the rest of us, the majority of us, we have issues around our own worthiness, and those worthiness issues are reflected in how we approach money matters as well. For most people, manifesting $1 million overnight is simply wishful thinking. Their logical mind makes them believe that there is no way such an amount can come to them instantly because that has never happened in the past. In the past, they had to work hard or do something to be deserving of that money. If you have such an overactive logical mind like the rest of us, then I would suggest you go slow with this. Before I proceed more in the technique, take a moment to send a message to the universe, a message filled with positive thoughts and happiness to show the universe that you are ready to receive. You can do this by simply repeating, "I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful." Alternatively, you can follow my approach and customize them, like, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm living my happiest life," or "I'm so happy and grateful I got a raise." The key is to repeat them consistently until they become a habit. Once they become ingrained in your brain as a habit, you won't need to consciously think about it. It transitions from being an exercise to becoming a part of your subconscious operating system. It transforms from something you do into something you naturally are. To make this crystal clear, it's crucial to use these words exactly as they are because they activate your nervous system in the present tense. These words are firmly grounded in the present. They don't merely suggest that you're grateful, they declare that you're happy. So, what's the magic happening here? Your brain starts believing it's real, especially when you personalize and add your unique touch to it. For example, "I'm so happy and grateful that I'm more productive than ever. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $7,000 a month. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm the healthiest version of myself. I'm so happy and grateful that my relationships have never been better, and I'm the best parent and spouse I can be. I'm receiving raises, attracting new clients, gaining new customers, and excelling like never before." My suggestion is to personalize this for your own journey, and I'd love to hear yours. Your positive energy matters to me, and I eagerly await reading your comments. So please, leave a comment below, either with "I'm so happy and grateful," or share your personalized statement, starting with "I'm so happy and grateful now that..." Now let's get back to our technique. Start with a small amount that seems possible to be manifested within the next 12 hours. It can be $5, $20, or $100. You have to gauge how you feel about the amount you are deciding to manifest, and your feelings are the best indicator. Choose the amount that doesn't create anxiety within you, yet excites you a little. For me, even $50 can get me excited, because manifesting them within 12 hours signifies that I can do the same for progressively larger and larger amounts of money. Once the amount is decided, I want you to sit for a meditation. Sit in a comfortable and quiet place with your spine straight and your hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes when you feel comfortable with your position. For the first 5 or 10 minutes, you have to focus on completely letting go of the outside world. This means that you should be so immersed in meditation that time should cease to exist for you. An easy way to cut off from the outside world is to keep your focus on your breath. At first, you would feel like giving up because so many thoughts will come rushing to your mind and they will exhaust you. Your job is to not react to those thoughts, but just let them pass by as they want. You should just focus on your breath. As attention diverts from the breath, just gently bring it back without getting frustrated. With just 30 to 40 intentional breaths, you will start feeling numbness in your body and mind. This is an indication that your analytical mind is shutting down, thus giving you passage to access your subconscious. At this point, you should start your visualization. If it's a big amount of money, like a couple of thousands of dollars or more, then visualize what you are going to do with that amount. If you are going to go on a trip, then immerse yourself in the scene where you are at the airport, leaving for your destination, trying to feel the emotions of sheer excitement as you are going to visit your favorite destination. If you are going to buy yourself a bag with that money, then visualize yourself at the store with your new bag in your hands, trying to feel its texture and relish the feeling of having bought this beautiful bag. A particular scene that really gets me in the mood, or the state of the wish fulfilled, is me calling someone close to me and sharing with them how I manifested this amount of money. It can be your mom, your partner, or even your best friend. But if you are manifesting a small amount, then you don't need to think about what you are going to do with it. You just have to feel the feeling of accomplishing your manifestation. Just feel proud of your abilities to create material things at your will. Once your heart is filled with joy and pleasure for your manifested amount, you can slowly come out of the meditation session. The next step is to stay in a state of gratitude for the rest of the day. You need to remind yourself again and again about the money, and then feel grateful as if you have already manifested it. This is a powerful step for tricking your mind into believing that what you desire has been given to you. Gratitude works wonders, and it really accelerates the process of manifestation by getting you into the state of wish fulfilled again and again. By staying in a state of total gratitude for only a few hours, you will realize how powerful of a tool it is on its own. Anyways, next, you just have to repeat your meditation and visualization session before falling asleep at night. This is so that your mind marinates in the thoughts and feelings of your desire all night long. The time before bed is considered the best time to set your manifestation process in motion. By practicing this technique, you will manifest your desires in 12 hours. In some cases, it can take up to 24 hours, but this is a proven method and works very fast. Stay committed, stay positive, and observe the shifts in your reality. Your journey toward manifesting your desired abundance is a continuous, empowering process. Embrace it with joy and anticipation. And that's it. That's all you need to do to manifest money instantly. Will you give this one a try? Let me know in the comments below. The next step in your successful manifestation journey is to keep watching our channel. We will be back to you with another amazing video. Until then, see you in the next video.